It's 9:34 a.m. on November the 7th, 2011. I'm just looking at the earthquakes on Intellicast. It's not the greatest place to look, but it gives a little bit of a picture of what's going on where. I'm going to start down here in South America, where you can see in Peru and Bolivia there's some 4.5 magnitude. Up here we have from Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands 3.6 up to down to 2.5. That's been going on since yesterday, November the 6th. I'm rushing myself there. Here in Oklahoma, we are continuing to have so many that we can't even show the November the 7th, and I keep trying to go down far enough, but there's just too many, so I'll take you to another site to show that. Over here in California, there's still a cluster. Here, this is in Nevada, 3.1, 1.5, 1.6 in Nevada today. Yesterday there was a 2.5, and in Southern California 2.8. Here we have Mount Hood up in Oregon today, 1.8, and also on November the 5th there was a 1.7 in the Seattle, Tacoma, Washington area. Up here, of course, we always see these swarms in California and in Alaska. That looks like they range anywhere from a 1.6 today all the way up to a 2.7 today in southern and central Alaska. This was a 5.3 was the highest yesterday on the Alaska Peninsula. And here we have a 4.5 in a Russian region today. I'm just going to hit some of these at this point. 5.1 in the Kuril Islands today. Over here in Hawaii, in the last hour, there's been several, all the way from a 3.9 today to a 1.7 magnitude yesterday. But there's a small swarm going on there in Hawaii. 4.7 in the Fiji Island yesterday. All these were yesterday. We have 5.0 today in the Philippines. 5.1 and 5.2 in the Bismarck Sea. All of these are today, actually, so I guess it goes from a 4.7 to a 5.2. We did the Philippines. Over here we have a 5.5 in Afghanistan today. And this is a 4.9 in Eastern, I can't pronounce that, but it's a Chinese Providence, I think. On November the 6th, that was yesterday. 4.7 yesterday, 4.3 in Turkey. So Turkey's still continuing to have some pretty good size. I don't know if these are new ones or aftershocks. I would have to go on another site to figure that out, and I will. 4.8 in Greece yesterday. And we're back to here. So I'm going to switch over to another site that shows the swarm, which is kind of unusual here in Oklahoma, if my time doesn't run out. So the swarm of earthquakes here, as you can see, continue to go all the way through. The first one was a 4.7 on the 5th, and then all of it 5.6 on the 6th, continuing up in 4 points and 3.9s, to some 2 points, but mainly in the 3s and 4s, aftershocks all the way up through today. So they're all in the same area.